Hi, hello traders. Welcome again to another edition of Market Analysis for today, May 23rd. I'm Giovanni Betancourt, analyst, trader, and educator with Vantage Markets. Well, today we are looking at the market and we're saying, okay, what gives, right? So we've seen that the fluctuation on the Nasdaq on the indices is pointing to a lower open. So our prices for gold and silver. We'll look at them in a few minutes. All of this is really taking a beating on the footing that the US dollar is appreciating on the forex exchange, and we are also seeing a rise in US Treasury yields. All right, so as well as the debt ceiling talks that President Biden and McCarthy have been having. They should meet again this week. So, on another note, Secretary Janet Yellen saying that the U.S. may come to have no more funds by June 1st. So, that being said, let's take a look at what we can expect or speculate in the market. So, we are looking at the Nasdaq. We're most likely, no, we are opening to the downside, to the down, no, opening negative on the day. So 13,600 will be my target for the Nasdaq. 4160 will be my target for the S&P, which on the CFD markets we have traded below that 4200 not threshold. Before it was at a good resistance. Now it became a support. Now it's broken. So no more selling pressure on the S&P as well as on the Dow. So the Dow is 32,000 my target for today. As far as the crude oil goes, the $74 still the marker, a nice resistance level for it. The RSI is humming, getting closer to 50. Once we reach that 50 level, as we continue to progress higher, that will be a good indication that the momentum to the upside is, is supported. So we could most likely see no, which is $74. So being bullish on crude oil for now. Nat gas is another story though. It is trending lower. Okay, 230 is that number that I'm looking for to reach intraday. Then we have here gold, which has retreated, has actually retraced some of this lower movement. It almost reached that 1950 support level, but it has quickly retraced. Let's see if we can reach that 1975 resistance and trade higher from that, or will it just continue to make another attempt lower? So right now that will be told by the strength of the US dollar index. As far as silver goes, silver is more of an pushing lower. It almost hit $23 a psychological support level, but it is quickly retracing. But the RSI is getting closer to being overbought. So keep that in mind. Being, yeah, good to sell silver, it could be the case. Then we have copper that is also selling. It has really made a new lows. 360 is that target for it that I have. Then we have Bitcoin that is trading higher. It has made a nice movement to the upside today. It is giving back some of those gains. I'm looking at 27,200 to see if we find support around this level to continue to its progression to the upside. As far as the currencies goes, well, the euro broke 108 and is trending lower. It is like a triple bottom here. So will that be enough for, technically speaking, the euro to make a U-turn and continue its move higher? Well, 107,800 will be my resistance in intraday resistance. See if that holds. Because if it holds, then we could most likely, make another attempt at 107.5. The pound is also trading lower, so will we reach 124.200 and the pound? That's to be seen, and that those levels could be most likely be met if we see the dollar index drop. However, if we see that the dollar index continues to move higher, back up to 103.5 and north, we'll see obviously those currencies and metals push lower. The RSI for the dollar index is getting closer to being overbought. So 104 will be that nice resistance level for it. Be careful with today's trading, and anything can happen. All right. Have a nice one. See you tomorrow.